Hi guys, welcome to Maneuver. Let's crack SLAT 2020 video. So just 7 days are left for the Symbiosis SLAT examination. So what should be your strategy in terms of the preparation so that you end up with the good score? This video is all about that. First of all, let me congratulate to all those who are scoring good marks in their SLAT mock test. So yesterday I was just going through the mock score. Many of the students scoring 70 plus marks guys. Guys, let me tell you, अगर आप Maneuver के mock में 70 के around hit कर रहे हो तो obviously plus 10 marks add कर लेना, आपके actual exam में आएगा. So out of 90, you will be scoring 75 to 80 marks, which is nothing but for sure admission to the Symbiosis. So those who are preparing for this exam, your attitude should be like this: I want only Symbiosis, that's it, and I want to build my career into the Symbiosis only. Once you made this mindset guys, after then your mind will force you guys to build up the strategy for the preparation. So those who have already started their preparation well and good guys, keep preparing and keep writing the mock test guys. Definitely you will rock in this exam. So all those who are lacking in terms of their preparation, we have launched full course, which is nothing but the SLAT mini course guys. So in this course you will be getting the video lectures, you will be getting the practice PDF and mock test also guys. So this program will be sufficient in terms of the preparation, but those who have already prepared and want to test themselves with regards to the score, then do attempt the mock test guys, which is very important. And those who are lacking in particular section, let's say legal, GK, English, then you can go for the sectional courses, and also ebooks is available for practice purpose. So all these courses are available on manuedu.com/lawentrance. Same link I have given in the description guys, so kindly check the description. Also further I'll guide you how to join these courses, and for any assistance you can contact to this number. Now let me tell you about the program feature guys. As I said earlier, in this program you will be getting the video lectures, you will be getting the mock test and the practice PDF. So do watch all this video at least 2 times guys. I repeat, you have to watch all this video at least 2 times, and do analyze your mock test guys once you write the mock test. So you have to watch all the recorded video with regards to the each section, whether it is VAT, whether it is comprehension, and your logical reasoning and analytical reasoning, both are there. GK, do watch all the current affairs videos and go through all the 1000 plus current affairs question and 1000 plus static GK question guys. So once you go to the ebook section, everything is available there. And legal reasoning guys, so watch all this video based on the legal reasoning. And very important guys, you have to build up your mock strategy. This is what the advice I give to all my students: skip, hit and run strategy guys. So when you start writing the mock test, the question which you don't know, skip that question guys. The question which you know, immediately hit that question and then go for the next question. So this is called skip, hit and run strategy guys, which you have to build up in your mock test. Do remember guys, commitment to a top law colleges is the bigger reason to the success. I repeat guys, commitment to the top law colleges is the bigger reason to the success. If you have made your commitment that you want only Symbiosis, then no one can stop you to crack this SLAT exam with the good score guys, and finally you will end up with this Symbiosis. So this is the time guys where you think like a warrior, not like a warrior guys. You have to think like a warrior. Don't be worried and sitting idly and thinking about you have not prepared well for this exam, you have not written the mock test, so how I'll be managing to score good marks. So just avoid thinking all these things guys. Just think like a warrior and go through all the video lectures, write the mock test. That is something which help you in terms of the score guys. Alright, now let me take you to the official website of Maneuver and guide you how to join the courses. So guys, you have to open Google and type MANOEUVRE maneuveredu.com. This is what the website is. Just click on the page 1 home page. So this is how the website will open guys. Just click on the buy online law entrance. After then all these 4 courses will open: full course, books, mock test and sectional courses. Just click on the full course and just scroll down. In the last you will find Symbiosis for law mini course guys. If you click on the view details, so you can see 161 video, 61 ebooks, 61 ebooks and 10 mock tests. And syllabus, if you'll go, all these video lectures you will be getting in this program guys. So kindly join this program and go through all the video lectures 2 times guys. If I go back, so if those who want to join only mock test, then you can go to the mock test program. Just click on the mock test. So writing mock test as of now is very important guys. There are 5 section and 5 full length mock tests. Do write the mock test guys. So this mock test is already included in your SLAT mini course. So if you have joined that program, that is sufficient guys. Same way, if you go back, if you are feeling weak in particular section, English, GK or any other section, then go for the sectional courses, and same way books and study material. So guys, kickstart your preparation. Just 7 days are left for the exam. I hope you must be preparing very well for this exam, and you will be surely coming up with the flying color. So guys, link for the online program I have given the description, so kindly check the description. For any assistance you can call on this number, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel guys, because I'll be coming up with the more videos about this SLAT law. All the very best for the preparation, and thank you.